Time now for your Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Curtis Grevens.
Welcome back, everybody, and good Thursday evening to you all. Likely where you're watching is quite different weather temperature-wise than maybe what your friends or your family are watching from here. I'm speaking of 30 degrees in the capital area here. We started out down around 0. Great Falls, though, currently below 0. The Arctic boundary is set up right along the mountains, right in between the capital and Great Falls here. So if you were to go for a little drive today, there's a big difference in temperatures from the north down to the south, where we've got numbers that are in the 30s, even though it's still right now 36 degrees in Bozeman, while we're 9 below in Cut Bank. Wind chill value is still 20 below, even colder than that in the northern part of the state. And again, around Lewistown, that cold air is just off towards the north and will likely come back down through town as we go through tonight into tomorrow. Wind chill advisory up north. Wind chill values tonight and through parts of Friday could be as cold as 45 degrees below 0, talking minutes before frostbite sets in. And the wind chill advisory should be continued into Saturday for the northern part of that advisory area. Because of all the cold, we've got ice jam issues here continuing in Shodo. And as that jam continues to back up the water here, starting to see some of that water spread out and ice things over right in the middle of town. And down in the southwestern part of the state, and this does include Helena, it includes Montana City and Clancy and Elliston and Lincoln, Wolf Creek as well, Boulder and Townsend. We're under a winter weather advisory. I don't think out in the valley we'll see much more than an inch at best. But in the mountains around town here, it could have as much as 3-4 inches of snow, just enough to make a little slick driving over the mountain passes. Where's the snow now? Well, some of that beginning to spill out over the Bitterroots into the lower Clark Fork region, but out there around Spokane, getting a good amount of snow right now. And we've got snow and ice pretty far south into parts of New Mexico, Texas, and Oklahoma. So back here for Montana, it doesn't look like, there we go, the computer model finally popped on, but here comes some of that snow, likely towards the morning hours around Helena, Great Falls, also around Cut Bank, and this snow will move off towards the east through the morning hours into the afternoon. So we may start out with some snow, Great Falls and the capital tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon, partly cloudy skies here. Heading into Saturday, little snow northwest Montana. We may get a little snow coming out across the High Line late in the day, even up there around Fort Benton, Big Sandy, up through Rocky Boy. Could be looking at just a little light snow late Saturday, but that system's gone. And then Sunday we start the warming process, more of a southwest flow setting up, and heading into Monday, not much going on except for warmer air taking over most, if not all, of Montana here. By the time we get into Monday, late Tuesday into Wednesday, that's when we could have our next little brief, small burst of some snow shower activity. So snowfall accumulation here, we are at 8:30 tomorrow morning, likely snowing around the capital, snowing around Great Falls, and then through the morning hours, there's that light accumulation moving off towards the east, partly cloudy by the afternoon, and then not much additional snow as we get into Sunday. Then again, Monday, maybe Wednesday could have some mountain snow. But big difference in temperatures again. Colder the farther north you go, much warmer the farther south you go. It's about a 40 to 50 degree temperature difference from northern Montana to southern Montana. For tomorrow, there goes that little area of low pressure, some light snow in the morning hours, up to freezing for the capital in the afternoon. Still locked in the cold air here in the northern and north central part of the state. Lewistown again getting a little colder. Saturday, not much change. The warm, the rich stay rich, and the cold stays cold here. But Sunday, that's when we'll start to see a little warmer air move again. Great Falls may be up to about 39 on Sunday, even Cut Bank 34 above 0. And then for Martin Luther King Day here on Monday, look how much of the state, even Glasgow 26 degrees, that will feel like a very warm day. Here is the 7-day forecast for the capital. So a little light snow tomorrow. Please be careful tomorrow morning. By the afternoon, partly cloudy, a little breezy as well. But the weekend, not too shabby. Temperatures in the 30s, and it gets sunnier as we go through the weekend, and it gets warmer in Great Falls as we head through Sunday into